Today we will learn how to get a ton of cheap storage using SD2VITA. For this video you will need a hacked Vita with auto plugin installed. You will also need an SD2VITA and a microSD card. You should try to get a V5 SD2VITA and a large microSD card. I will be using a small 8GB one. Format your microSD to exFAT. In Windows, right-click on your microSD and click Format. Set the file system to exFAT and the allocation unit size to default. Don't give it a volume label. Click Start. Click OK 2 times. Put the microSD and SD2VITA into your Vita. If your apps disappear, Storage Mgr is already installed. If not, launch Auto Plugin and select Install SD2VITA. The warning here points out that only apps installed on your microSD will be visible. This is fine. Click Triangle. Storage Mgr will be installed and you will be asked to reboot. As noted, you will have no apps, so reinstall VitaShell. For help, check out the Wilson Minute link now. Your memory card is now mounted to UMA0 and your SD2VITA to UX0. You can change this by editing UR0 tie storageconfig.txt. This file can be a little confusing at first, but it is simple. The type of storage is first, followed by an equals, then the mount point. Now that your SD2VITA is installed and configured, you could transfer all of your data from the memory card to the SD2VITA. Alternatively, I prefer to use this as an opportunity to clean house and install my desired apps from scratch. You could always copy over your saved data and other important files afterward. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now get out there and apply your newfound knowledge.